Look, it's 11:47 p.m. You're sitting at your desk, books open, laptop glowing, phone buzzing every 30 seconds. You told yourself you'd study at 6 p.m. Then it became 7, then 8, then after dinner, then after one YouTube video. And now you're exhausted. You didn't finish anything, and you're thinking, why does it feel like I'm always busy but never actually getting ahead? And deep down, there's something even more uncomfortable. You're starting to wonder if the problem is you. My name is Rafael, and I spend way too much time thinking about how students waste their most valuable asset, time. If you're someone who studies hard but still feels behind, struggles to stay consistent, or feels like your daily routine just isn't working, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because look, this isn't about working harder, it's about realizing you've been following a completely broken system. Section 1. The biggest lie about productivity. Here's the thing. Most students believe the perfect routine looks like this. Wake up early, study for hours, take short breaks, repeat. Sounds good, right? Disciplined, structured, productive. But here's what most people don't realize. That routine is built for robots, not humans. And there's actual research behind this. According to a study from the University of California, Irvine, it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to fully regain focus after a distraction. Now think about your day. You check your phone 20 times. That's over 7 hours of lost focus in a single day. Let that sink in. You don't have a time problem. You have a focus fragmentation problem. Section 2. Why your current routine is failing. Look, your routine isn't failing because you're lazy. It's failing because it ignores human psychology. Let me explain. Your brain operates on something called dopamine cycles. Every time you scroll TikTok, watch YouTube, or check Instagram, you get a small hit of dopamine. And studying feels boring in comparison. So what happens? Your brain starts associating phone equals reward, study equals pain, and over time, it becomes almost impossible to sit down and focus. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but I just need more discipline. No, that's exactly what keeps you stuck, because discipline without system design always fails. Section 3. The real goal that no one talks about. Here's what most students get wrong. They think the goal is study more hours, but the real goal is maximize high-quality hours, because 2 hours of deep focus is more powerful than 6 hours of distracted studying. Let's do the math. Let's say you study 6 hours a day, but you're only truly focused for 40% of that time. That's 6 times 0.4 equals 2.4 hours of real work. Now compare that to someone who studies only 3 hours but stays focused 90% of the time. That's 3 times 0.9 equals 2.7 hours of real work. They study half the time and still outperform you. This is where it gets really interesting, because once you understand this, you stop chasing time and start engineering focus. Section 4. The perfect daily routine, backed by science and psychology. All right, let's rebuild your day from scratch. Not based on motivation, but based on how your brain actually works. Step 1. The first hour rule. No phone. Look, the first hour after you wake up is critical. Your brain is in a high plasticity state, meaning it's extremely sensitive to input. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, you're training your brain to crave distraction. Instead, wake up, drink water, move your body even 5 to 10 minutes. Sit down and start something productive immediately. No scrolling, no notifications. This alone can change your entire day. Step 2. The 90-minute deep work block. Here's what most people don't realize. Your brain works best in 90-minute cycles, called ultradian rhythms. So instead of forcing yourself to study for 4 to 5 hours straight, do this. 90 minutes of deep focus, 20 to 30-minute break, and repeat. During those 90 minutes, no phone, no multitasking, no switching tasks, just one subject, one goal. This is where real progress happens. Step 3. The distraction parking lot trick. Now, you might be thinking, but I keep getting random thoughts while studying. Exactly. That's normal. So instead of fighting it, use it. Keep a small notebook beside you. Whenever a random thought pops up, check WhatsApp, watch this video, search this topic, write it down, and go back to studying. This reduces mental clutter and keeps your focus intact. Step 4. The 3-task rule. Look, your brain is not designed to handle 15 tasks a day. That's why you feel overwhelmed. Instead, each morning, choose only 3 important tasks. That's it. If you complete those 3, the day is a success. Everything else is a bonus. This creates clarity, and clarity creates momentum. Step 5. Energy management over time management. Here's something nobody teaches in school. Not all hours are equal. Your energy fluctuates throughout the day. So instead of asking, when do I have time, ask, when do I have energy? For most students, morning is high focus, best for studying. Afternoon is medium, review, lighter work. Night is low, revision, planning. If you align your tasks with your energy, you'll get more done in less time. Section 6. The hidden enemy, your environment. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your environment is silently controlling your behavior. If your phone is on your desk, you will check it. If your bed is nearby, you will lie down. So change the environment. Keep your phone in another room. Use website blockers. Study in a clean, dedicated space. Make distraction harder. Make focus easier. Section 7. A real-life example. Let me tell you about 2 students, Arif and Rahim. Arif studies 7 hours a day. Rahim studies 3 hours. But Arif checks his phone constantly, studies randomly, feels tired all the time. Rahim uses 90-minute deep work sessions, no phone during study, focuses on 3 key tasks. After 3 months, Rahim is ahead. Less stress, better grades, more free time. Same intelligence, different system. Section 8. Why most students will ignore this. Now, here's the part people don't like hearing. Most students won't follow this routine, not because it's hard, but because it's simple. There's no hack, no shortcut, no secret app. Just focus, structure, consistency. And in a world addicted to instant gratification, that feels boring. But boring is what works. Section 9. Action plan. Starting today. All right, here's what you do starting today. 1. No phone for the first hour after you wake up. 2. Do 1 90-minute deep work session. 3. Write down your top 3 tasks. 4. Remove distractions from your environment. 5. Track your focus, not your time. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Look, you don't need more time. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You don't need to study 12 hours a day. What you need is control over your attention. Because in today's world, attention is the new currency. And right now, you're spending it on things that don't matter. But if you can learn to control it, you can literally change your future. If this video made you rethink how you spend your day, hit that subscribe button, because I break down the psychology and math behind success, money, and productivity so you can actually get ahead. And comment below, what's the one thing you're going to fix in your routine today? Because awareness is step 1, action is step 2, and your future depends on what you do next.